A little aloha in our day. Welcome back, ikomo mai, to our Choose Aloha time together. I'm Aunty Dawn, and we get to pump each other up with aloha, the breath of life. I love it, because champions always choose aloha. So what? Is it I am possible or impossible? Is it have to or get to? Is it great I am or I am fail? No Yoda, no joke. Those are some true questions that came up in the last few sessions we've been doing together, and you're powering forward, powering on. So I know you're nailing it right, but let's bring all three together in one simple statement. And of course, Aunty Dawn hopes that you're choosing wisely to rewire your brain to become powerful and positive and not negative and hurting. We're going to go for choosing love, choosing the best in this life, choosing epic smash, crush, winningness. So here's the 3-in-1. It's the 777 jackpot, all three one time. Ready? I am possible because I get to be a great I am. Crushing it. I am possible because I get to be a great I am. Yes, sir, bless sir, Ross dress for less sir. Yeah, you. I am possible because I get to be a great I am. And by the way, just brought my, new shades, my specs, my gratitude glasses, because I see the world through a wonderful color shade of wonderful. Today, we're going to keep pumping you up and us up and me up and everybody up with self-love. Why? Because love starts in our hearts. That just makes sense. Simple, right? A strong heart means strong love. And a weak heart means weak love. Loving others has to start by first loving yourself. No shame, no shy, all truth. That's just the honest truth. So keep pumping up our self-love. We have to power boost forward with a power boost activity. It's called building me up. Remember how we're rewiring our brains, lizard, the numbat, and the human, and we're not going to flip our lids. We're going to flip the script. So we're rewiring the brains to become powerful and positive and use your prefrontal cortex right in the front of your head, in the front of your cranium, in your brain. So we're rewiring for superpowers. Building me up takes you to an advanced level up. For all you gamers out there, advanced level up. You're going to go to the best level. Ready? Okay. Let's start by focusing, centering in a mindful moment. Let's start with some G breaths. Remember our gratitude breaths? We're taking in some really nice oxygen deep down into your na'au, deep down into your opu, into your diaphragm. Diaphragmatic breathing is deep. So take those deep breaths in and slow and nice and warm. And as you exhale out, blowing it nice and smooth like a cup of cocoa out of your mouth. Cool the cocoa. Another deep breath in. You can even hold it. That's an advanced level up. Hold it for like 3 or 4 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, and blow it out. Last one in, gratitude breath. I'm so grateful for a great day. I'm so grateful I have clean air to breathe. I'm so grateful I can think in English and understand Aunty Dawn. And blow it out. Smooth. Now that we're all centered, focused, and right here, right now, allow me to read you this meditation for all of us. And I'm going to speak it over myself like I'm speaking over you. Take a good listen. It says, no person, place, or thing has any power over me unless I give it. For I am the only thinker in my mind. I have immense freedom in that I can choose what to think. I can choose to see life in a positive way instead of complaining, being mad at myself or other people. Complaining about what I do not have is one way to handle a situation, but it does not change anything. When I love myself in the midst of a negative situation, I can say something such as, I am willing to release the pattern in my consciousness that contributed to this condition. One more time. I am willing to release, let go of the pattern of my consciousness, my thinking that contributed to the condition you didn't like. I have made negative choices in the past, but this does not mean I am a bad person, nor am I stuck with these negative choices in the past. I release old judgments and I love myself unconditionally. Done. That's it. Let me read that last line just for a good measure's sake. So nice, I gotta say it twice. I release old judgments and love myself unconditionally. Can you say that with me? I release old judgments and love myself unconditionally. Just speak that over your spirit, soul, and self, your body. That's it. Very powerful and inspiring. So what? Now what? We got to put an action step always at the end, like a little bow on the top of a gift. Your birthday gift, your Christmas gift, your COVID is over gift. Let's go for the Miracle Maker. And here are 3 key statements I want you, as you're using your G glasses, your gratitude glasses, to write in your G journal, gratitude journal. And don't forget, I'll send you a free sticker if you email me your address. I can mail it to your house. Snail mail. So fun. You might like text. You might like to get shout outs on social media. But snail mail is so cool. And I would love to send that to you. So send it. My email is dawn@jessielewischooselove.org. So that sticker for free. But in your G journal, here's 3 questions. I hope they come up on the screen. Thank you, all the editors who work behind the scenes to get this video out, like Uncle Kaipo and Auntie Maria. So here's the 3 statements to jot in your G journal and fill it out. Number 1, I love myself because, remember, no shame, no shy. You have to have strong heart to have strong love. You have to start with your heart to love others. I love myself because I'm funny. I'm really kind of good looking. I love people because I am trying to be humble. Because why do you love yourself? Number 2 statement after I love myself because, number 2, I am special because, and number 3, I am grateful for the following things about me. I am grateful for the following things about me. Once you fill in those 3, I love myself because, number 2, I am special because, and number 3, I am grateful for the following things about me. Fill in some answers on your own. You can steal mine. They're pretty epic. Self-love. Remember, I am a miracle and I deserve great love. And nothing is impossible. The word itself is I am possible. Boom! Ka-yeah, you! Let's all keep choosing aloha. A-L-O-H-A, a little aloha in our day.